Thanks so much. Let's move on to candidate number 4. Masa kayo mong award tonight, ma'am?
Miss Runway.
Miss Runway. Gusto ka madagan sa dalan?
Yes, of course.
Very good. And saan po ito represent?
I will representing from Masigla.
Masigla. Hello, Masigla! Nasilang, please speak more. Nasilang Nanay Rosa, right? The Masiglanan, the mother of our friend. Shout out di ay sa Team Sintino. Namin ang Team Sintino dire. Nawa ng guro. And the team concerned Mariticens. This is your question. Kung dili ka crush sa imong crush, kinsay mag-adjust? Again? Kung dili ka crush sa imong crush, kinsa may mag-adjust? Ayaw mo kasuko, siya mo to ba?
Good evening. Thank you for that. Wow. Sounds like hilarious. A playful question. Well, of course, I am here to express, but not to impress. As I am not only a transgender woman, but also someone who really motivates, encourage others, just to celebrate their individuality. So the question is, kung ako papiliwan sa crush, pag dili ako dili crush, akong crush, kinsay mo adjust. In life, that was so committed. We should take advantage of it. Because I believe that kailangan nato mag-adjust sa atong crush because I believe that true beauty is not in the face, but in the heart and the love that guide us toward kindness, understanding, compassion, and justice. So we should make something because love encompasses a lot. You could be, kung dili mo kanya crush, then you can find someone who really loves you unconditionally because love is universal. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you very much. Let's call in candidate number 5. Pakpak mga idol sa candidate number 5. Okay, kamusta ang feeling na daghan ka kag-idol? Pila ni Bayran? Pila ni idol? Daghan ba kag-kauban karong gabi una?
Ano ko kabalo asa sila?
Okay, isang pro itong represent?
Puro ako di mo crush.
Sigaw, sigaw! Di mo kasha! Now, can you pick one question, please? The question is very serious. Asa ang mas daghan og sulod? Bag ni Dora or bulsa ni Doraemon? Again, asa ang mas daghan og sulod? Bag ni Dora or bulsa ni Doraemon?
The question is very funny. Ang pilion no, ang Bobby Doraemon. Alam mo, daghan di siya kasunod, makasunod siya o kanang portal. Makasunod siya dildo. Di sa bulsa klase ni mga yun. Ihatag sa bulsa ni Doraemon. Kaya na, tara na!
Thank you very much. Let's move on. Number 6, please. How are you tonight? Candidate number 6.
Feeling great.
You're feeling great. You're not so pressured with the temperature inside. Okay na sa init? Kaya na. Alright, so can you pick one question, please?
Lawless ka siya ba? No? Kamis ka na?
Your question is,
Yung no bagay, way
pwede ba mainom ko kung naka-coffee break? Again? Pwede ba mainom ko kung naka-coffee break?
Definitely yes. It's because ikaw mabuod sa iyong mga kagabinon kung coffee man ay inom or go. Walay butanay sa kinabuhi. It's her choice. And all, thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on to our candidate number 7. Ooh, may fans. Gusto ko mag-hi sa mga fans? Can you pick one question, please? And your question goes like this. Unsa imong ginabuhat kung wala kay ginabuhat? Again, unsay imong ginabuhat kung wala kay ginabuhat?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is very valid question. But for me, unsa akong ginabuhat kung wala akong ginabuhat? Well, it's definitely kung wala akong ginabuhat, magmuni-muni ko. It is because if you, kung magmuni-muni ka, of course, hindi mo makita na nakakay ginabuhat. But makita mo ito sa iyong pagmuni-muni, nakakay ginabuhat na dako, of course, kung nag-dream ba ka or whatsoever. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7. Moving on to our candidate number 8. May nabi candidate number 8? Kamusta? Okay, very good. Can you pick one question,
May
please?
mauna sa una ba'y laki kung okay na si lagam mo karon bayo.
And the question goes like this. Asa ang mas dako ang sala? Ang manglaki o ang mamayo? Again, asa ang mas dako og sala? Ang manglaki o ang mamayo?
Thank you for the beautiful question. I think it's fair. Why? Because kanang na-enjoy mong ang laki mo kaman, umabayo. Because in our life, lagi na yung mga problema na ako ba ko. Labi na, karoon ka panahon. The society is so very judgmental. So, kung maglaki ka man, umamayot, walay salaan. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on to our second to the last candidate, number 9. How are you tonight, candidate number 9?
I'm okay.
Oh, very good. You're okay. You're pretty tonight. Can you pick one? Yes, go ahead. So, would you like to say hi, everyone?
Good evening, everyone.
Nakaiuyak ba ka nun? And the question goes like this. Kung ang imong mama, landlady, o ang imong papa, landlord, unsa man ka? Again, kung ang imong mama, landlady, o ang imong papa, landlord, ikaw, unsa man ka?
Well, good evening. Kung ang akong mama landlady o akong papa landlord, ako ay anak sa Ginoo. Because I believe that LGBT people are also human beings, have the right to love and to be loved, since we are living here in our country. Thank you so much and good evening.
Alright! Moving on to our last candidate, not least, candidate number 10. Good evening, candidate number 10. Can you pick one na kayo, Churi? o ikaw ang kaunon sa yuta? Again? Kung papiliin ka sa man, mukhang ikaw yuta o ikaw ang kaunon sa yuta?
I think, if papiliin ko sa yuta, mas piliin na ako ang kaunon sa yuta. Why? Kay kita nagikan sa yuta o kita mapadulong hapon sa yuta.